Name's George Hunter from Auburn, Alabama, flying this wonderful Air World ME-262. It's powered by a pair of MIDI fans with a Hacker 13XL or B13XL motors. Plane weighs in at about 24 pounds. We're getting about 117 mile an hour flights out of it, and straight and level. It's got a pair of Thunder Power Pro lights in there, 5,000 milliamps, two batteries per motor, a pair of 90 amp Hacker spins in there for the ESCs, and great flying airplanes. Fully composite aircraft from Air World, great flying airplane, much like their Focke-Wulf. There's a plane has a scratch-built cockpit in it, 1/6 scale pilot from BBI. The plane is painted with Tamiya Tester's paint, Tester's Model Masters paint. Picked this out of an ME-262 book and weathered it much like most ME-262s are done. So it's a great little flying plane. Robart retracts with Robart struts, and I think the wheels I got from Dino DiGiorgio. And that's about it on the plane.